Even, natural coverage. Our Complexion Brush provides even, natural-looking coverage to every part of the face. It's perfect for all-over application or sculpting your features. Seamlessly blend your makeup. Our soft, silky brush bristles are designed to seamlessly blend makeup for a natural-looking finish. How to use. For best results, swirl the brush over the wet or dry product and apply to the face in broad, sweeping motions. Cleanse regularly to maintain perfect color application and the longevity of your brush. Use with wet or dry products. This versatile brush was designed to expertly apply both wet and dry face makeup including pressed, loose and translucent powder, bronzer and blush. Vegan cruelty-free. Our brushes are PETA certified cruelty-free and vegan, so you can feel good about using our products. Top reviews from the United States. One of the studio brushes everyone should have. The Studio line brushes by e.l.f. are the best. Soft, fluffy, and do not shed. I still have and use the first one I ever bought over 3 years ago. I love that it is Taklon, so does not harbor bacteria if cleaned properly. Plus it is a lot softer feel than most animal hair brushes.